HTD is a professional manufacturer integrating design and production with 15 years experience in toilet fitting. We will provide customers the best service with technical support. Today, I will show you to our toilet laboratory. In order to meet the needs of customers in different regions, HTD Toilet Laboratory provides several national standards testing. Our toilet laboratory includes 2 kinds of test equipment and several test materials. The toilet washing function test equipment can use to record the test result of the toilet washing function. As you can see from the screen, the real-time flushing curve records data of flushing volume and the flushing speed in every second. The test result can clearly determine whether the toilet consumption can meet the standard. HTD laboratory report can guide our customer to improve their toilet function effectively. In toilet function testing, HTD will provide different inspection material to meet the needs of different tests. Testing shows as follows. Toilet washing function test. Solid discharge test. Mixed media test. Dirty water replacement test. The GNHPi transportation test equipment can use to test the delivery distance of boards. This can show the transportation function of the toilet. In HTD, laboratory staff not only be treated professionally but also be required to operate according to the work instructions strictly. Also, HTD's laboratory equipment will be sent to a third party for the calibrating within the planned time, ensuring the accuracy of the test results. After visiting HTD's toilet laboratory, I believe you have more confidence into our products and service. If you wanted to know more about us, please feel free to visit our website.